Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. We've got some pretty wild stuff to unpack today, huh?
Absolutely. And I have to say, the articles you sent over, fascinating stuff. Really gets you thinking.
Right. It all has to do with this new galaxy, and when I say new, I mean, well, it's ancient, but newly discovered.
By the James Webb Telescope, of course. That thing's a rock star.
Totally. And this galaxy is acting, well, weird. It's like way brighter than it should be. You ready to dig into this?
Born ready. The weirdness is actually what makes it so exciting. It's really challenging what we thought we knew about how galaxies form, especially in those very early days of the universe.
Okay, so big picture first.
Yeah.
What makes this galaxy so special? You said it's old, right? Like way old.
Exactly. We're talking billions of years in the past. We're basically looking back in time to when the universe was still a toddler.
Wow, okay. So what's the problem then?
Well, some parts of this galaxy are just way too luminous. Like, if only stars were powering those regions, it just wouldn't add up. It'd be way dimmer.
Okay. This is where my brain goes straight to black holes. Those things explain, like, half the weird stuff in space.
You're not wrong to think that. One of the leading theories right now is that we're seeing the action of a supermassive black hole right at the galaxy's heart.
Ooh, okay. I'm intrigued. So how does that work? Black holes are, like, invisible, right?
Exactly. They don't emit light that we can detect directly. It's all about what's happening around them. See, as a black hole devours matter, and it devours a lot, this stuff spirals inwards, forming a disk.
A disk. Like a dinner plate for a very messy eater.
Kind of. We call it an accretion disk, and because that material is swirling around so fast, colliding with other matter, it gets superheated, and that's what makes it glow brightly.
Ah, so it's not the black hole itself. It's like the aftermath of its cosmic feast that's lighting things up.
You got it. And that energy release, it can easily outshine all the stars in a galaxy combined. We're talking seriously bright.
Okay, that's pretty intense. But I thought there was another explanation, too. Something about, like, baby stars.
Oh, right. We can't forget about that. It's entirely possible that this galaxy is what we call a starburst galaxy.
Starburst. Okay, that sounds way more exciting than just, a galaxy making stars.
It's not your average star formation. This is like a cosmic fireworks show. We're talking about a period of incredibly rapid, intense star birth. Imagine a ton of stars, all forming super close together, practically on top of each other.
Whoa, okay, so all those baby stars, all that energy, all crammed together, that could explain the extra brightness too, right?
Exactly. It's like instead of a few candles, you've got a bonfire blazing away. It's a sight to behold, or at least it would be if we could see it directly.
So we're left with two equally mind-blowing possibilities. A black hole on a feeding frenzy, or a stellar nursery on overdrive.
And the best part, either way, we're getting this incredible glimpse into the very early universe, a time when things were way more chaotic and active than they are now.
Right, because we're seeing this galaxy as it was billions of years ago, not as it is today. It's like a time capsule, revealing secrets about how galaxies, maybe even our own Milky Way, first came to be.
Precisely. It's like archaeology, but on a cosmic scale. This one weird galaxy could hold the key to understanding galactic evolution as a whole.
Okay, now that's the kind of stuff that keeps me up at night.
Right.
It makes you realize just how much we still don't know about the universe.
Absolutely. But every new discovery, especially with the James Webb Telescope up there doing its thing, it brings us one step closer to understanding the bigger picture.
So if this one galaxy is already throwing our textbooks out the window, what else is out there? What other mysteries are just waiting to be uncovered? Something to think about, right?
Absolutely. It makes you realize we're just scratching the surface of what's out there.
Exactly. Well, on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive, but trust me, the conversation doesn't end here. Thanks for listening, everyone.